Okay, this class is the continuation of our SAT questions. So in this question, the first question here, Mani asked 90 students questions about driving and after school jobs. The students of the poll or the results of the poll are shown in the table below. Question, and we have yes or no. Question 1, do you have a driver's license or an after school jobs? 75 replied yes and 50 replied no. 2, if you answered yes to question 1, do you have a driver's license? 43 said yes and 32 said no. 3, if you answered yes to question 1, do you have an after school job? 59 said yes and 60 said no. So after completing the poll, Mani wondered how many of the students have both a driver's license and an after school job. So the question is, how many of the students polled indicated that they have both a driver's license and an after school job? If you look at this problem, basically you see that it is a problem on set, and we just intend to look at the intersection of both the students that have driver's license and those that have after school job. Now the universal set of this set or of this problem is 75, because of the people that were interviewed, 75 of them agreed or I replied that they have both driver's license or an after school job. Then again, some 43 students replied that they have a driver's license, meaning that 43 students either have a driver's license alone or they have a driver's license and an after school job. Then 3, if you answered yes to question 1, do you have an after school job? 59 replied yes, meaning that 59 of them either have a driver's license, an after school job or a driver's license or both. That is to say they either have an after school job or both an after school job and a driver's license. So what we are going to do is to solve this using set notation. So let S be the number of students that have both driver's license and after school job. So in that case, 43 minus S students, we have driver's license only, because we have the number of students that have driver's license to be 43 and S students have both driver's license and after school job. So of the 43 students, S of them have both driver's license and after school. So for those of them that will have only driver's license, it's going to be 43 minus X. Again, the total number of students that have after school jobs only will be 59 minus X. We have that because 59 students have after school job or they have after school job and the driver's license. So for students that have after school jobs only, it's going to be 59 minus the number of students that have both a driver's license and after school job. So by this, the total sum of their intersection plus those that have only driver's license plus those that have both driver's license, that have only after school job will be equal to the universal set, which is 73. That is to say 43 minus X plus 59 minus X plus X must be equal to 74. 5. So by collecting like terms, 43 plus 59 is going to give us 102. Now this minus x plus x will cancel out each other, so we'll be left with minus x. Equals 75. Hence, s will be equal to 102 minus 75, and that is equal to 27. So let's go back to the options. So the correct option is the third option, which is 27. Okay. Question 2. The cost of a field trip to a certain aquarium includes a $300 fee for bus transportation and a $12.75 for each aquarium ticket purchased. Which of the following functions models the total cost in dollars for the field trip when T aquarium tickets are purchased? Now, the cost of the field trip to the aquarium includes a fixed price or a fixed cost of $300, which is for bus transportation. Then $12.75 per ticket. So if the ticket is bought, then it means that the cost of buying ticket will be $12.75 times T ticket. So the total cost will be f of t equals $300, which is the cost of boarding the bus or for the bus transportation, plus 12.75 times the number of tickets bought, which is T ticket. So the correct option is the fourth option, option D. Option D is the correct option. Okay, we have question 3. If 4x minus y equals to 6, what is the value of 81x divided by 3y? Now what we are going to do is to express the values in the index form. So we know that 81 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power y is equal to 81 is 3 raised to power 4. So I have 3 raised to power 4. So 81 raised to power x is 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x. So it's same as 3 raised to power 4 x divided by 3 raised to power y. Now writing this in index form, in indices, applying the laws of indices, 3 raised to power 4x divided by 3 raised to power y becomes, so this becomes 3 raised to power 4s minus y. Now if you go back to the option, 4x minus y is equal to 6. Hence we can say that our result is equal to 3 raised to power. So our result is equal to 3 raised to power 6 since 4x minus y is equal to 6. So we simply replace 3 raised to power 4x minus y by 6. So the correct option is option D.